Hey guys, the name's Lo. Just wanted to show you a quick review about my portable washing machine. And this is it. Hold on, let me get the full name. Excuse the noise in the background. That is actually my portable dryer that's going on. This is called the Giantex Portable Compact Full Automatic Laundry 1.6 cubic feet washing machine, 8 pounds washer / spinner with a drain pump. So basically, if you're watching this video, chances are you were just like me, where you live in maybe an apartment or somewhere where they don't have washer and dryer hookups, and you got tired of going to the laundromat or the laundry room. That was me. I got tired of doing so. So I actually bought this off of Amazon, and when I first purchased it, it was $139 with free shipping. Now it looks as though it's going up to about $199 right now because this became very popular. I have not seen too many reviews on this, so that's why I decided to do one. So I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. So the hose that it came with is not this green one that you see. I actually had to go to Home Depot and I purchased a garden hose. It is a female to female garden hose that adapts, well, that it attaches to this end of the washing machine. And then I also had to purchase this, it's like this Y-shaped adapter that allows for water to come out of each side. So basically I could still have my washing machine hooked up and still use my faucet basically when I'm not using the washing machine. So for instance, if I need to wash my hands, the water will still flow on the other side. Now this is the on part, so if you need to use a washer, what I do is I just turn this off so the water will fill in that way, and then I turn this part on so the water will actually go through the hose into the washing machine. So, and as you know, this is a fully automatic one, so it does come with a drain pump. Here's a drain pump. What I do is I actually took like a little stocking cap and I put it on the end of the drain for the purpose of it catching lint. It does come with the lint catcher in the washing machine, but it doesn't do that good of a job. I mean, lately it's been doing really well, but it actually backed up my sink. So I did this to keep from getting a bunch of extra, lint in my sink. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm doing a little load of my son's clothing. And what I love about this is that you can pick and choose which settings that you would like to use. So I'm gonna do a short load, small load. So it has high, medium, low. I pick low for, of course, smaller loads, medium, and then higher loads. And then you press the power button. Medium is like 40. The high is usually at 40 as well, and the low is at 37. So you could choose if you wanted to soak, rinse, wash, and spin, or if you just wanted to wash by itself, therefore it won't rinse or spin. You could do wash, rinse, and spin, but sometimes I do rinse and spin depending on what I'm washing, but the normal one is the wash, rinse, and spin, and that's what I'm going to do today on low. So I press start, okay, and I haven't turned the water on yet, but I'm doing so now, and as you can see, the water goes directly into the washing machine. So like I said, I'm just doing a small load just for an example. I had to do this anyway for my son's clothing, but I wanted to show you that. And you can use any detergent of your choice. I use Tide. Sometimes I use Gain, depending on how I'm feeling. And I don't use a full cup. And actually this is a bit too much, but hey, whatever. It works. So I pour it in, and I usually just rinse it out with the water. So you'll see it filling up. And I'll probably fast forward this part, to kind of get through the video. So yeah, I mean, it fills up pretty fast, especially with this hose. The hose that it came with was just like really janky. It actually was leaking really bad. And my advice to you is that get something that's sturdy and has metal on it. That's why I said I went to my local hardware store. I went to Home Depot, and I bought the garden hose, and it seems to do some real good justice. I've had this for 7 months now, and I love it. You can see how powerful it is. It's not loud though. That's the good thing. And this is just with the top open. When I have it closed, it's still pretty quiet, and you see the water will actually stop. But for me, that water pressure is actually like in the hose. So sometimes, just to make myself feel better, to avoid any leakage, I turn it off and then I let the water drain out. So the water won't, the pressure won't be too high and it won't leak out on either side. And so like I said, that's the noise. And when I close my door, it's super quiet. I love it. So I'm gonna let it do its thing, and then I will come back once it gets to the rinse cycle and spin cycle so you can see how that goes. Okay guys, I'm back. So it's getting ready to start the spin process. As you can see, it's like doing its pulsating, if you will. And I know in the video it looks like these are flashing, but they're actually not. It's actually solid, but I think that it's just because I'm recording it that's why it's looking like that. But I guess that's really neither here nor there. Alright, anyway. So it's doing its thing, there's full pulsating thing. Now it's getting ready to start the spin cycle. So just bear with me. Yeah, and this is, you see how soapy and sudsy it is? Sudsy's not a word, I just made that up, so hey, go with it. That pretty much lets you know that you don't want to put too much soap in it, because I've definitely done that before, and it was like really bad. So just bear in mind, less is more when it comes down to this little washer. I mean, it is amazing as much as it can hold, but I would definitely suggest trying not to go over capacity with it. So yeah. And still, even with this part, it's very, 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 very quiet. Well, it's actually not going to spin, it's just going to drain. So you see the drain. Alright. I know that looks super weird, but that's why I keep that on there, to catch any of the lint. And it drains very, very well. I know it's a little soapy in there, but I put too much soap in there. So this is an example of what not to do as far as how much soap to put in there. Yeah, you see it drains very, very well. And this is why I put the little stocking on there. So that might be a little hint for you all to, you know, might want to do that as well to keep it from backing up your sink, because that sucks. And then you might want to close the lid. Oh, and another thing, once it starts rinsing again, you're going to want to turn that water back on. Okay. And this part, I'm going to keep the lid closed. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see that. Because if you keep it open, what it's going to do is it's going to have this little noise like beep, beep. Like letting you know, hey, close it, we're getting ready to start the spin. Now it will start. This is the spin cycle. You can really see it. Oh, you can't. It's like amazing. It spins so well. Sometimes it shakes a bit, but I have this little like floor mat thing that I use for working out. I put it on here to kind of mask the sound of it. So you can see it's getting the water out. So I'll come back once it completes. And I'm trying to make this video under 10 minutes. So I just at least want you to see the spin cycle. So I'll come back and show you how, you know, how pretty dry my clothes actually get. I say that my clothes get about 85 to 90% dry, and then I put them in my little I'll come back once it's actually all complete. Okay, so just wanted to show you how the clothes look after a complete full wash. It's already cut off and everything. It beeps 10 times to let you know, hey, I'm done. Beep, 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 10 times, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so this is what my son's clothes look like after it has been drying completely. So I would say that it got about 85% of the water out. And all I'm gonna do is just, when I get a chance, I'm just gonna throw these in my portable dryer, and the dryer will be for the next video. But if you guys have any other questions, please feel free to comment, like, subscribe, ask any questions that I may not have covered for this little washer. And just to recap real quick, because mine actually doesn't have the name on it for whatever reason. I see that others have, but hey, that's neither here nor there. So this is the Giantex portable compact full automatic laundry 1.6 cubic feet washing machine, 8-pound washer spinner with drain pump. Like I said, I bought mine back in May of 2017 and it was $139 with free shipping. Now it's a whopping $199, which is actually a really good deal. Hence the fact that there are so many other products out there that run around $300. So I think it's just the name, if anything. But this is a really great washer. I love it. I will continue to wash with this for as long as I'm here in my apartment, which I don't plan on going anywhere because I love it so much. It's just like the washer and dryer hookups. But yeah, it's been 7 months, and I hope you guys like my review. Have a great day.